Hey guys, welcome to Weekly Market Watch. In this video, I will review the weekly markets and see where's the opportunity because market has crashed badly last week and we can see Bitcoin now trading at $78,000. Ethereum, BNB, C, every token you talk about is down. But there is an opportunity that we should look at and see where we can cash in and make money. So with that, let's dive in. Let's talk about the tokens and the potential setups. Now, again, if you're someone who's new here or watching this video for the first time, please do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and make sure to join my Telegram group by joining Platinum membership, where I share trading updates and, of course, trading masterclass that will help you get started with crypto trading. So, let's dive in. So, first of all, we see Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin, you can see here we are on the weekly chart. We can see clearly the formation of a clean head and shoulder pattern, which is very bearish. But it also shows you, since it's fall down, it is time for Bitcoin to actually bounce back up. So I believe if this pattern has to complete, it will go up to 100k, which is 100k dollar, and then might go down to start a bear run, which is very bearish. Otherwise, if this pattern fails, it will go up but never complete the pattern and will scale new highs, making Bitcoin to achieve new all-time high. So in any case, if you consider it, I strongly believe it can go higher from this current level, which is nearly $75,000. I think it's time for Bitcoin to go back up and see where we are heading in the next few weeks. So I will be bullish on Bitcoin for the coming week, which is next week. And then we have this token called Ethereum. Now, after Bitcoin, Ethereum took a big hit and it crashed. And right now, its biggest bullish pattern, which is inverse head and shoulders, is nearly about to break out. If it failed, we are going down on Ethereum, which means Ethereum can hit the lows of $2,000. That can happen next week itself, but we have to wait and watch and actually wait for the recovery of this token from near the lows of 2400 to actually trying to go back to this level, which is close to 2800. Maybe then we can have a rally down. So this is something to watch out for. I will not trade Bitcoin and Ethereum because they are very volatile. They can actually make you lose money during the highly volatile market situation. So I personally avoid them during such kind of setups. The third one is again my favorite, which is ZAC, and I am totally bearish on this one. I told you before that it will go to $300 when it was trading at around $500 plus dollars. I think now it has a good room to go down to the level of $200, which will make it closer to 50 mm, which is right over here. So this makes sense. Otherwise, the all-time low it can go is on the monthly chart. It can go as low as below 200 and can target 150 to $170. That is quite possible. There is a much gap or much retracement to be done. So ZDC is completely bearish. I am bearish and I will short it when I will get the opportunity. Of course, the setup is shared on my Platinum trading community. Go to BNB and you will find a similar case, but in case of BNB, it has more strength compared to other tokens. So you can see it's broken down the 50 MA, which acted as a good support level. But now, since it broke it, the thing is that it may try to recover next week and then can pull back down. So the idea is go back up to the 50 MA, which is 50 exponential moving average, and then go back here, which will make it come closer to the level of $650. So that can be my target for the upcoming weeks. Depending on the market direction and trend, I will take this trade. So these are the top trades that I'm targeting on the top tokens. Apart from it, I'm looking at virtual. I have already shorted it. Of course, my community made money today by shorting this token. You can see the setup on the 5 minute time frame. This was the setup and we made money. But overall, this is also very bearish, which means it can actually go down. But given the fact everything is bearish, I think the retracement need to be done, which means a pullback is mandatory. And when that happens, that is when you make a entry decision. So if you want to trade virtual short, I think the entry should be at around 64 cent or 65 cent. Then probably we can look at the candle and go down. So these are some of the trade that I'm targeting. And of course, I have two more trades that I will be looking at. Of course, Solana is there. Solana I'm not targeting because it is already below $100. It went there and it doesn't make sense to trade it right now. And then Pangu is there. That is actually kind of bullish to me because its all-time low was back in the month of April 2025, and then it pulled back up and it is reaching the all-time low again. So this one you should watch out, and similarly you should also watch out TRB, Teller Tributes, which will hit all-time low of $10 after nearly 3 years. It hit $10 back in 2022, then 2023, and after 2023 now it's about to hit $10 again. So this can be a very good long term buy. TRB is an oracle and it is in demand. The supply is very limited, so you should not miss this token. So these are the token that I'm watching. Of course, Hyperliquid is the one that is a very good strength, but I won't be trading it because its price is quite unpredictable at the moment. So again, this is all about the market review. If you're liking the video, if you're understanding the reviews, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, like the video, and make sure if you're someone who's a trader or want to learn crypto trading, make sure to join my Platinum Telegram community. The link is there below. Click the join button and get started. So that's about it. Let's meet tomorrow in the new video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.